Welcome to Antique Hardware Supply, your best source for historical and reproduction hardware. Today, we're exploring the history of pocket doors, their best uses, and the different types of pocket door hardware available. Pocket doors have been around for centuries, but they became especially popular in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. During the Victorian era, they were a staple in high-end homes, allowing homeowners to create flexible living spaces by seamlessly opening or closing off rooms. Unlike traditional hinged doors, pocket doors slide into a concealed cavity within the wall, making them an elegant, space-saving solution. As architectural styles shifted in the mid-20th century, pocket doors fell out of favor. However, in recent years, they've seen a resurgence, both in historic restorations and modern homes, thanks to their ability to maximize space and create a clean, streamlined look. Pocket doors are ideal for areas where space is limited or where a swinging door would be impractical. They're commonly used for bathrooms, walk-in closets, home offices, and pantries. In open-concept homes, double pocket doors can be used to separate living and dining spaces while still maintaining the option for an open flow. They're also a great choice for historic renovations, bringing authenticity to period homes. Just like traditional doors, pocket doors require specific hardware to function properly. There are two main types of pocket door hardware: surface mount and mortise style sets. Surface mount pocket door hardware is the simplest option. These sets include pull handles that attach directly to the face of the door, often with a small finger pull that allows you to slide the door open and closed. Surface mount hardware is ideal for modern applications, as well as situations where you want to avoid cutting into the door itself. Mortise-style pocket door hardware is a more traditional option commonly found in historic homes. These sets include a recessed edge pull and a locking or non-locking latch mechanism that is embedded into the door. When not in use, the hardware sits flush with the door, maintaining a sleek and unobtrusive appearance. Mortise sets are perfect for period-correct restorations or for homeowners looking for a more refined and integrated look. Pocket doors combine beauty and function, making them a smart choice for both modern and historic homes. Whether you're restoring a Victorian-era house or simply trying to save space, choosing the right pocket door hardware is essential. For a selection of high-quality pocket door hardware, including both surface mount and mortise-style sets, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching Antique Hardware Supply. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos on classic and reproduction hardware. See you in the next video.